Okay, I fiddle farted around enough that I ran out of time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the profile sketch, and I kind of started. I gotta start over with here. So I gotta hit select profile to activate it. I'm gonna go edit profile, and I'm gonna choose section number 1. That works out good for me because of where it's located at. And once you go into your section, you want your path to actually be in the wall that you're going to be working on. Okay. And then so what I want to do is I want to go, we'll do rectangle, be fine. And click on the red dot. And I want it to come out, I want it to be 1.5 inches tall and 3. Yeah, okay. I'll do it and then dimension it. How about that? That's 1.5 inches. Okay. What happens if I actual dimension? Uh, 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 that was weird. That dimension didn't even follow it. Okay, so I want it to be 3.5 inches tall, 3.5 inches wide. Okay, and I think that's going to work. And let's see here. Before I finish out totally right here, I want to come over here to my material and I want to change that. And we're going to duplicate one. So let's find softwood lumber. Oh, softwood lumber. But I want to duplicate it. I'm going to call it softwood sill plate. And I'm going to change the color of it. I don't want that bright a green. That looks good there. Okay. And I'm going to put a surface pattern on it. I'm just going to put a wood surface pattern on it to make it easier for me to see it. Okay. And let's see, cut pattern. I don't think I can do a good cut pattern on it. I think that'll mess us up later if we do a cut pattern. Appearance, let's change the color of that also. What do we have over here? 0215-107. I'm just going to make it the same color as what I had over there. Okay, and the reason I'm now that was weird. I'll have to look at that. So it just kind of looked kind of weird. Okay. Let's see, did this work? Yeah, there it is. We know. Okay, so that looks good there so far. Section pattern is not showing any. Maybe we should. I can't edit type there. I have to actually. Oh well. Maybe we should add a section pattern to it so make it easier to see it in our sections. Um, well, our view range here is cutting through it, so that's what makes it kind of hard to see. Let's change that. Let's hide these two floors. Okay, so now we can see it. It's actually underneath, totally underneath this wall, which that's a stacked wall coming down on top of it. Okay, so now we can see where all that goes. Same way that wall is right on top of it. Okay, what we want to do now is we want to add them coming across the beam. Now the beam doesn't, um, none of our details show the beam and what goes on top of it. And the notes don't tell us anything. So on the two linear beams that are coming across here, we want to do the same thing. Probably a 2x6. And we'll just do a piece of lumber on top of them. So I will, um, yeah, we'll just do a piece of lumber on top of them. I will pause this video and then finish that up. Well, we can do it. What we're going to need is a section view going through there. So let's pull that section into there. And that is section 5. So I'm going to close all the rest of this so I'll be able to see what I've got going on. Okay, so now then, I'm going to come into here. And I'm not working on my structural plan. I'm still on my floor plan here. So, and I'm going to pull in a beam. And you're going to need to load, probably have to load a family. And it's going to be down here, structural framing, wood, dimensional lumber. And we want to load a 2x6. It's already loaded, so I just need to change it here. I'm going to go to a 2x6. And we're going to edit it. Where was it at? We want to go top of foundation wall. I'm looking for the angle there. Huh. Okay. We will put one in and then come back and look at it. So I'm just going to draw one out like so. Now, since I've only got my two views open, it'd be easier if I tile my views and then come look at it. So here we went, right here. Cross-sectional rotation. That's what I wanted. So we're going to make it 90 degrees. And let's see.